In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I went from this daytime look to this nighttime look. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Hi, my name is Maham, also known as Malika E Maham. You can find me here on YouTube and on Instagram as Malika E Maham. This is the completed nighttime look. What do you think? I'm going to be wearing the same look and I'm going to change out the top and add a scarf for my nighttime look because it tends to get chillier at night, especially during springtime. I started out with using the CERAVE PM lotion to prep my face. Then I applied my sunscreen, the Sunprise Etude House, the mild watery light one. I'm applying some E.L.F matte liquid eyeshadow in the shade Blushing Rose to my eyelids. Here I'm applying Maybelline's Dream Urban Cover SPF 50 in the shade 215 Almond. For a day to night look, I always make sure that my base has sunscreen in it just to have an added layer of protection. Here I'm applying Physician Formula's Mura Butter SPF 15. I like to take this step when I'm first starting my makeup out so that by the end of my makeup, my lips can be smooth for my lipstick application. I'm applying the REVLON INSTA-BLUSH. It's in the shade 320 Berry Kiss. It is a very neutral pink. You can rub it on your face and you won't be able to overdo it, especially if you have medium olive skin tone. Here I'm applying NEUTROGENA Hydra Boost Hydrating Concealer with hyaluronic acid in it. I am in the shade Light Medium 30. It's a very hydrating concealer. It's really natural for the daytime. It's also slightly peachy, so it does do a little bit of color correction for me. And then I am setting the concealer with the banana powder that comes in the Bronzer Booster Highlight and Contour Palette by Physicians Formula, the matte sculpting one. Once the under eyes are set and I've mattified my T-zone, then I like to go in with the bronzer shade in this palette. I'm going to take that all around the perimeters of my face. I get the bronzer helmet on. I also applied some of the bronzer on my lower lashes to give the eye a complete effect, because if you have a little bit of discoloration on top of your eyes, you would also have a little bit on the bottom of your eyes. It wouldn't be completely white. If you're applying a creamy liner, I think that can look really strange, especially in the office. Here I'm applying E.L.F's blush in Mellow Mauve. It's a mauve tone, but it's also pinky. I absolutely love the combination of the Revlon and the E.L.F together because they're both very difficult to overdo. Scrub my blush brush into the E.L.F blush. It still comes out so soft and so pretty. Here I'm misting my face with PIXI's Sun Mist. It has SPF in it. It also has chamomile and bamboo extract. I believe it also has niacinamide, which is wonderful for the skin. This is a wonderful spray if you can get your hands on it, but if you can't, I would look for something equivalent to a glowy SPF setting spray in your country. E.L.F brow pencil to fill in my eyebrows. Then I'm using the ALMAY brow styler to set, also to add a little bit of fibers to my brows to make them look more voluminous. Here I'm just curling my eyelashes with this eyelash curler. It has this burnt titanium effect, which I really love. This oil slick burnt titanium effect. I would have left my lips with just the SPF lip. I think it doesn't look, for the office, it looks quite girly, and I don't mind doing that inside my house. If I'm going to be in the office, I like to wear a lipstick. It makes me feel very adult-like. Here I'm applying the Bite Beauty's lip liner in the shade 050. It's a very mauve shade. I love this lip liner because it's a very mauve lip liner and it's not too purple. It's just mauve enough. I'm applying the Coastal Rouge lipstick in the shade 445 on the mauve by Maybelline. I love this shade and it's such a comfortable formula and it leaves your lips feeling hydrated for the whole day. Here I'm applying a creamy eyeliner to my waterline. You can use the NYX. Then you're gonna see me go into the IT Cosmetics CC powder. This is the love of my life. After I spritz my face with the PIXI, my face becomes too luminous, especially underneath my eye area and next to my nose, my forehead. I love to go in with the CC powder and it adds a little bit of coverage wherever I apply it, which I appreciate so much. I take it on my forehead to make the oils calm down a little. Here I'll share with you all of the products that I recommend keeping with you so you can change your look from your day look to your night look. I'm applying the E.L.F. bite-sized eyeshadow in Rosewater. I love this tone. I love this color story. These shades I will use until it's empty. So I'm really grateful that they came out with this color scheme. It's incredibly affordable and I love the look that it gives. It just adds on to the E.L.F. matte eyeshadow base that I applied. This color I applied on the center of my lid. This one I applied to the inner corners of my eyes. I also added a little bit of this dark shade to the outer edges of my eye and into the crease, and then I blended it out again using this neutral, beautiful shade that's in this palette. It blends out beautifully. I love this NYX faux black eyeliner for the top of my eyes. I'm applying the Blackberry FBL05, a beautiful eyeliner. If you sharpen it before you apply it to your eyes, it glides. Then you're gonna see me attempt to try to fix my under eyes with Becca Aqua Luminous Concealer. However, there's not much left in this bottle, which means I have to go get another one. I love this concealer because you can put it on top of your powder, makeup layers, and it will do a brightening effect. And then you can powder on top of that. I'm gonna try to blend it out with Mini Eye Sponge by Real Techniques. Because I didn't have enough product in the tube, it didn't work as well as it normally would. But once I applied the banana powder on top from the Physicians Formula Trio, it actually made things a lot smoother and better. Here I'm applying the Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in the shade Purple Violet by L'Oreal Paris. This is a beautiful liner. It is a very mid-tone purple matte eyeliner. I love to use it on the lower lashes. I like to use it on my waterline. I think this is a beautiful shade. Here I'm spritzing my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It is perfect. It sets my makeup and it holds on to my makeup, and it's drugstore. It's worked great. There was a lot in this bottle. I have these bamboo and paper fans, and I'm sure you can find bamboo fans anywhere, especially when I'm doing my makeup in the car and I'm sweating while doing my makeup. That fan saves me every time. Here I'm applying the Bite Beauty lip liner again to make the lip line look good again. On top of that, I'm applying the NYX Lip Lingerie. Embellishment is almost the same shade as my own lips, but as it dries down, it does dry down a little deeper. Like you can see, a little bit of it has come off my lips, and it actually does not look bad at all when it comes off this way. It's not too purple and not too brown. That's why I like to wear it at nighttime. You can touch it up, like I'm gonna touch it out right now. It's like it's fresh again. I absolutely love how this layers. It wears off in the center of the mouth because it's such a beautiful tone. It doesn't even look like it's wearing off. It's not a very drying formula. Very comfortable formula. I'm using a high-end mascara here. This is a Yves Saint Laurent Mascara Volume Effect Faux Clair. It's in the shade 40R200, a warm tone mid-purple mascara. You can even use a ColourPop purple mascara, and that is good enough. You don't have to go for an expensive one like this. I'm just trying to finish mine up. Here's the day and night look one more time. That is it for all the products for this day to night makeup look. I hope that this makes you feel like you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to look like your very best self. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure to share this with a woman of color who you know is into fashion, style, she's working, she needs to go to parties after work. Please share my video with her. Thank you so much for your time and your energy. Please leave any questions, comments, or concerns in the comment section below this video. Here's another video coming from me now. Take care. Bye.